Hello, welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. We got two hot SPACs that you guys got to check out. All right, I'm going to keep this real brief. The first one is TDAC, ticker symbol TDAC, Trident Acquisitions, all right? They're soon to merge with lotteryticket.com. But now I said soon to because it is not final. They've filed a letter of intent, so it is not final. Remember, before you guys do anything or make any financial decisions, you should check with your financial advisor and do your own research. Remember, do your due diligence. But it's similar to LCA, right? LCA, for those of you that don't know, LCA is in the gaming, gambling, right? And so this is a gaming play. But lotteryticket.com, of course, you know, they sell lottery tickets. And so now they're about to bring this public with this SPAC or blank check company called Trident Acquisitions, TDAC. So that's what a SPAC is. A SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company, which is a blank check company, and they find a good company that they want to merge with. It's called a merger. And then when a merger happens, they share the wealth, right? And the company becomes public and the IPO changes. I'm sorry, the ticker symbol changes. It becomes one company, right? And so I want you guys to research this. I'm posting this a little later than normal because this is hot. A lot of you guys asked me to cover this. I had these two stocks on my watch list when I was in the middle of studying. I don't want to be rushing to be the first one to come out without doing some research, right? All right, so that's the first one. TDAC, which is Trident Acquisition. They have a letter of intent to merge with lotteryticket.com, okay? And so I'll be bringing more to you guys on these stock, but for right now, I want you guys to check these out, right? Because they are flaming hot right now because they're doing a run, right? So the second one is ticker symbol VGAC. VGAC, that's VG Acquisitions, right? Now this company is, you got Richard Branson at the helm. You know, Mr. Chill, Richard Branson, right? All right, so one of the things I like about Richard Branson is he does a lot of things successful. He brought Virgin Galactic public, and I remember when that went public, as soon as it IPO'd, it doubled. So if you'd have bought it at the price as soon as it IPO'd, before the day was over, it was like double of what you did, right? So now, it's also a SPAC, right? And, you know, the SPACs are always, you know, when SPACs in the old days, 5 months ago, they had a certain way that they ran. Now these SPACs are not running up so much as they used to, which is good because SPACs were being overpriced, overvalued, and it was too much money. And so you have a SPAC that IPO and then it runs up and the value is ridiculously high, and then it comes back down, all right? So VG Acquisitions is actually the one that I have a little skin in, and I'm thinking about doubling down. I like to be transparent. I don't have skin in the game with Trident Acquisitions, but I do have some skin in the game with VGAC, which is VG Acquisitions. I like it because if you look at every SPAC, the SPAC is announced and then it pops up, and then this is where most people get it. If you look at every SPAC, you'll see flat, 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 and then it spikes up, and then everybody finds out about it, then it spikes up again. What I like about VGAC is it's just right here at a little spike. It hasn't ran up yet because they haven't merged yet. And this is the type of SPAC that I've been looking for pre-merger, right, to get into. So basically, it's a blank check company at this point. So I want to say this, and I'm going to keep this short. The reason I like this even more than the first one, and I might buy into both, but remember, you guys, you're on your own with these decisions, right? Don't just jump on a stock just because everybody say it's burning hot, including myself. Do your own research, right? We want you to be wise investors. But I felt like I needed to make a video on these two. But the reason I bought into VGAC is because of Richard Branson, right? I want you to remember this. When you invest into a company, you're not just buying the company, you're buying the CEO, right? And you're betting that that CEO is going to be way better at doing his job than you are. And so we have the easy part. We say, here's my dollar, turn it into 5. Here's my dollar, turn it into 3. And that's what you're doing when you're buying these companies. And that's why you have to do your own research, okay? Hit that like button if you think that this is cool, and leave me a comment if you're going to buy, especially leave me a comment if you're going to buy, where you're going to buy, and which one are you going to buy, if not both. Leave me a comment. And for those of you that haven't subscribed, man, y'all come on, welcome to the page. Y'all know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. Make sure that notification bell is checked, and we will keep you posted. Live, love, laugh, and learn.